REST API. Sometimes technology feels like a giant city, and REST is the quiet, well-organized road system that keeps everything moving. REST APIs exploded in popularity around the early 2000s because they made developers feel free. No heavy rules, no complicated documents, just simple URLs that act like street signs. A REST API works using HTTP, the same protocol your browser uses when you open a website. If you send a GET request, you are asking for data. If you send a POST request, you are sending new data. Put is for updating. Delete is for, you guessed it, deleting. Imagine asking a library robot, "Get books Harry Potter." REST behaves exactly like that. It returns data in a lightweight format, usually JSON, which humans and computers understand easily. The magic? REST is flexible, simple, cache-friendly, and used everywhere, from Twitter to Instagram to online banking. SOAP API. Picture opening a treasure chest and discovering it's locked with a 1,000-year-old chain. That is what SOAP feels like. It's older, stricter, and very, very serious. SOAP was created in the late 1990s when companies needed something reliable for big operations, like banks, insurance systems, and government portals. SOAP wraps every request in an XML envelope, like a formal letter with seals and signatures. It includes built-in security rules, strong error handling, and strict standards. If REST is a friendly chat, SOAP is a lawyer-written contract. It may feel heavy, but in industries that require trust and consistency, SOAP is still king. GraphQL API. Have you ever wished you could order exactly what you want from a restaurant? Nothing more? Nothing less? That is GraphQL. Built by Facebook around 2015, GraphQL lets the client choose the exact data it needs. Unlike REST, which may send too much or too little information, GraphQL gives you laser precision. It returns only what you ask for, no extra baggage. This makes it perfect for mobile apps, dashboards, and complex systems where every kilobyte matters. gRPC API. Imagine speaking to your friend using walkie-talkies instead of writing long letters. That is gRPC. Fast, efficient, and perfect for real-time systems. Created by Google in the 2010s, gRPC uses HTTP2 and binary data formats called protocol buffers. Binary means the computer reads it extremely fast, much faster than JSON or XML. gRPC services talk directly to each other, almost like two machines whispering in their own secret language. You often find gRPC inside microservices, gaming servers, video streaming platforms, and distributed systems where speed equals survival. WebSockets API. Imagine a phone call that never hangs up. That is WebSockets, an always open connection between a client and a server. Created for real-time communication, WebSockets allow both sides to talk at any moment. No waiting for a request, no delays. This is why WebSockets are used in chat apps, online multiplayer games, real-time dashboards, stock trading platforms. They run on a special protocol that upgrades a normal HTTP connection into a two-way channel. Once connected, data flows almost instantly, like streaming thoughts between machines. WebHooks API. Sometimes an API shouldn't wait for you to ask, it should tell you automatically. That is the magic of webhooks. Think of webhooks as doorbells. When something happens, like a customer made a payment, the system rings your application instantly. A webhook is simply a URL on your server that another system calls when an event occurs. No checking, no polling, no wasting time. They power notifications, automation tools like Zapier, payment alerts from Stripe, and updates from GitHub. They're lightweight, simple, and incredibly useful. WebRTC API. Have you ever made a video call and wondered how your face traveled across the internet so smoothly? That's WebRTC working its real-time magic. WebRTC, Web Real-Time Communication, allows browsers and apps to send audio, video, and data directly to each other without any middle server. This peer-to-peer connection makes communication fast and secure. It uses technologies like stun, turn, and ice to find the best path between two devices, even if both are behind routers or firewalls. WebRTC powers Google Meet, WhatsApp video calls, Discord streams, online tutoring platforms. It brings human expression, voice, video, emotion straight into the browser. Graph API. Sometimes you need to understand the connections between people, pages, photos, or posts. That's when Graph APIs shine. A Graph API organizes data as nodes connected by relationships, like a spider web of information. Facebook made the term famous when it introduced the Facebook Graph API around 2010. You can ask questions like, show me this user's posts, show me the comments on this photo, show me the pages this user likes. The system then walks the graph and brings back everything connected. Graph APIs are excellent for social networks, recommendation engines, and any platform where relationships matter. Final note: by exploring these 8 API types, you've just walked through the hidden roads, tunnels, bridges, phone lines, and satellites that help modern software talk to itself.